Alright, YouTubers, another unboxing video. Slowly running out of things to do with unboxing videos on this weekend, but we'll get there. Alright, so this should be an awesome product. This is I believe, an Amysen Smart Wi-Fi plug 4-pack that I ordered. I really love the smart plugs. I previously got a single pack, and I have used it and used it, and I realized I needed more. So I got a 4-pack, which was a really good deal. $35.99, I believe, with the Amazon Prime. Free shipping. Got it within 2 days. So that was pretty darn cool. And I'll tell you what people will be getting from me for Christmas this next year will probably be smart plugs, because this year I gave away a couple of Echo Dots Gen 2s and Gen 3s, and this is a perfect gift that goes with that. Let me pull this out. So there's the box, and make sure we get a nice big view of it. So there's the front, and I'm using today I've got my Momon fill light on so that everything works out pretty good for the sake of people being able to see it. Alright, so let me bring this back over to the second camera. So for cameras today, I've got my got the Panasonic 4K going and the LG V30 4K, and we need one more thing here, folks. So I talked about compatibility. I actually have this in a Google device. We won't be playing with that one, but so there's your standard Echo Dot. This will work with it, and it works successfully. All right, so let's go ahead and get this open. And this, folks, is definitely a quality product. I have had no issues. You know, when you're on good old Amazon, who sometimes I wonder about the reviews on there. You know, you can't trust some people, whether it's a competitor or somebody just had a bad day. But, you know, you read their reviews, then you read, there's positive reviews, of course, and a lot of people just leave reviews when something bad happens. But believe me, I will be putting a positive review up for these as soon as I verify they all work and everything's good. Alright, there they are. So, take this over to both camera angles. These are very simple to use. You just need to make sure that you download the right programs, and that you use, if you have a dual band router, make sure that you're using the 2.5 gigahertz router, not the 5. So that's kind of a common thing with these smart plugs. One of the other ones I had, same deal. They even kind of give you, some of the instructions here. Obviously, tell you that it'll work with Google Home, which it does. I can tell you that it definitely does. You will download Smart Life, the program that's available, and there's a little icon that it looks like right there. But very easy operation, folks. You'll know when it's working, and the nice thing is, like, if I had Alexa there plugged in, I could just tell her, Alexa, turn on the kitchen light. So right now we're in the basement kitchen. We could tell her to do that, and she would turn it on. And then when I'm ready to turn it off, she can, you know, you say, Alexa, turn off kitchen light, and she will turn it off for you. So I'm just making sure there's nothing extra in the box. Alright, so the box is totally empty. And I'll do a operational video so you guys can see it. But that's about it for this portion. I'm gonna pause the video and set this up so you can see it. Alright folks, so you can see on my phone I've got quite a few smart plugs, and we're adding more. But simple demonstration. I'm using the Hey Google app here, or the Google Home. Hey Google, turn the light on. And so you see the Amazon device just turned on. I could hit the button here to turn off, which would be easier, or I can go back to her and say, Hey Google, turn the light off, and turns off. So pretty simple, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video, liked it, and see how easy these are to use.